Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to post on Facebook Marketplace without friend sync. So the first step you simply need to do is to log in into your Facebook account and click on Marketplace, and then you simply need to click on create new listing. So you can select item, vehicle, property. So I am going to select item. Here you can see add photo, click on that. So I'm going to add this logo for example. Here you need to add the title, and I'm going to add for example t-shirt. You can select the price. Okay, so price will be 3.99 for example. You can select category. Okay, condition, and you can select brand description, and it is up to you. You can add SKU as well, and you can select location. So I'm going to select London for example. Okay, and here you can see hide from friends. You simply need to turn this feature on from here. Click on next, and after that you need to click on publish. So this is the process by which you can post on Facebook Marketplace without friends sync. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.